Judicial Watch filed another lawsuit against the administration. You know, we sued the Trump administration more than anyone else. I say that with 99% confidence. And sure enough, we had to sue to get basic information about a very important period of time in the Trump administration, when the first seditious conspiracy was discussed among senior level officials in the DOJ and the FBI. Rod Rosenstein talked about invoking the 25th Amendment with Andrew McCabe. They talked about wearing a wire to the Oval Office to record the president, presumably to get evidence against him for this illegal and illicit invocation of the 25th Amendment. And out of those discussions grew the appointment of Robert Mueller, the special counsel, who should never have been appointed and should never have been appointed by Rod Rosenstein. So there was this period in May, I call it 10 days in May after the famous movie, between the 8th and the 22nd. On May 8th, Rosenstein wrote the memo to Trump, essentially telling him to fire Comey. He fired Comey the next day. And then they began the discussions, Rosenstein and McCabe did, McCabe being a Comey acolyte, about how to overthrow the president. So what Judicial Watch did, we asked back in September of last year for records about any emails, I'll read you the FOIA, any and all emails, text messages, or any records or other records of communication addressed to or received by Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein between May 8th, 2017 and May 22nd, 2017. So this was a very important period of time, but our request is very focused. How many emails and communications could he have received in that period of time? Not that many. And now it's September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 6 months later, and we still don't have any documents, and we had to sue in federal court. So Judicial Watch, unlike Congress, who is yet to question Rod Rosenstein on any of these issues. Can you believe it? Rosenstein's on his way out the door, and Congress has yet to question him. He's made statements prevaricating through the Justice Department and directly about what he said and what he meant, but it's pretty clear these discussions took place as I described. This coup, this seditious conspiracy.